Let's be honest, our world feels very heavy right now. Lots of conflict, division and loss. And, it's easy to feel helpless. But, here's the truth, you don't have to fix the world to help heal it, just show up as a better human. Today, we explore how to show up with compassion, empathy and purpose in a world that is hurting. You don't need to fix everything, you just need to be someone who cares, listens and acts with kindness. Being a better human doesn't start with fixing, it starts with feeling. It starts with acknowledging the pain, yours and others. And that can be hard. Why? Because we live in a world that teaches us to numb, to scroll past suffering and to distract ourselves with noise, productivity or perfection. Healing begins when we stop running and we start noticing. We need to sit with it and ask ourselves, what's happening in the world that breaks my heart? What's happening in me that I have been avoiding? Where am I hurting? Awareness is the first act of compassion. It's easy to judge what we don't understand. We see someone lash out, shut down, or act in ways that confuse us, and our first instinct is to label them as rude, selfish or difficult. Judgment is a shortcut. Empathy, on the other hand, takes the long road and asks, what might this person be going through? What pain might be behind the behavior? Empathy doesn't mean you agree with someone's actions. It doesn't mean you excuse harm. It means you are willing to look deeper and see the human beneath the behavior. It means choosing empathy. Empathy says, I may not understand your pain, but I honor it. I may not have lived your story, but I respect it. And that kind of connection? It softens hearts. Empathy builds bridges where judgment builds walls. You don't need a platform or a plan. You just need a heart. Here are 5 small ways to be a better human, today. 1. Check in on someone. Hey, I've been thinking about you. 2. Give without expecting. Donate, help, support, no strings attached. 3. Speak kindly. Your words can be medicine or poison. Choose wisely. 4. Listen fully. Put down your phone. Look them in the eye. 5. Be patient. With others. With yourself. With the process. These aren't grand gestures. But, they ripple. They matter. Here is something we forget, especially in a world that glorifies hustle and self-sacrifice. You can't pour from an empty cup. You can't show up with compassion, patience, or presence if you are running on fumes. Being a better human doesn't start with grand gestures, it starts with being a kinder human, to yourself. Rest isn't laziness. Reflection isn't indulgent. Boundaries aren't selfish. They are essential. They are how you protect your energy, your peace and how you show up for others. Doing the inner work means asking hard questions. What am I carrying that isn't mine? Where am I abandoning myself to please others? What do I need to feel whole again? The world doesn't need perfect people. It needs present people. Compassionate people. People like you. Self-care isn't selfish, it's sacred. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, consider liking and sharing this with someone who may need some encouragement, and I will see you in the next video.